One of the hardest things of going from academics or, certifications or whatever, however you study data science, to going into the corporate world is that people, your colleagues, are going to be coming to you for the ideas of the projects and what to work on. See, in school, your professor gives you the ideas, or it's a Kaggle competition and it's sponsored by somebody who gives you the idea or whatever, right? In the real world, they're going to call a meeting and they're going to say, "Hey, this is so and so, our new data scientist, and he's going to impress us with the 10 ideas that he has for what data science can do for us." And then you're going to have to say, "Okay, here's 5 ideas that I see," right? So that's why I like how you guys are going through this, because it is important. You're going to be the ideas person in the company. Nobody's going to hand you ideas, right? So I love the way you guys are thinking right now.